Ever dreamed of a Wojak meme with Solana's power? I just discovered Solana NPC where Wojak meets the Solana blockchain. The project isn't just surviving the market crash, they're gearing up for their third major exchange listing soon. Their social are on fire with cool content on Instagram and TikTok. But what really got me bullish is that they have given back over $40,000 to their community, building a super strong following. They're now sitting at around 7.1 million market cap and the chart looks ready for the next leg up. Don't miss out and let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to do your own research because meme coins can be risky.